Hey guys, I want to show you guys a easy smoked recipe. I don't even know if you can call it a recipe, but it is definitely a smoked cook. And this guy at work brought this uh, to work right before the day before Thanksgiving this year. He used blue and gold sausage, which you guys have heard me and a couple other Oklahoma people talk about this, made in Oklahoma. Blue and gold sausage, and he did head country rub on it. I'm going to do Meat Church Holy Voodoo. It was kind of a kick up between that, it was a toss up between that and Cosmo's Dirty Rub. This is a little bit more spicier, so I'm not quite sure my family would like it as well. So I went with this Holy Voodoo. This is some good stuff right here. So this is as easy as it gets. You sprinkle the whole sausage log with your seasoning, stick it in the oven, or in my case, we're smoking it outside on my pellet grill, and that's all you do. Let it go until it's 165 degrees, and then you're ready to slice into it. And I'm gonna tell you what, he brought that to work, and I was like, dude, I am doing this. I couldn't believe how tasty that was. Goodness gracious, it was so good. So we're going to duplicate it with my seasoning and not Head Country. Head Country is real popular in Oklahoma, but I'm going to do this Meat Church. Close enough, he's from Texas, right? So all right. And I'll put it on this wire rack. And that's ready to go. I don't know how long it's going to take. I'm going to use my thermometers to see, my probes and see. But let me get you over here to the pellet grill. I've already cleaned all that off camera. And I think I'm going to just set it right down here. Stick this thermometer right in the middle there. All right, she set it 300 degrees. I'll let her go until she gets done. I'll bring you back. Well, let's see what we got going on here, folks. We're sitting at, according to this, 118 degrees. Ooh, yeah, this is mighty good, mighty good. All right, guys. Well, I took this out of the pit boss when it reached about 162 or 3 degrees. And all it is to do now is just to slice it and eat it. This blue and gold sausage is a 2.5 pound tube. So there's plenty to go around, and if you don't eat it all at once, of course you can freeze it, no problem at all. Look at that smoke ring, man. This stuff is just amazing with that barbecue rub on it.
And of course, I'm going to give it a good thumbs up. Hey, I appreciate you guys stopping in here. Please hit that like and subscribe button, and I will catch you guys on the next one.